Snowy Booker, Knox, 7th grade, year 2020. We are going to do some squat jumps. 5'10", or 5'9", 210 pounds. Let's go, Snowy. Set. You got 10 on my hut, ready. Get in your position, Hands on your knees.
I'm ready.
Hands on your knees. Sit. Hut. Here we go. Quick. Now, wait till I say hut. Okay. That was 2. Ready. Sit. Hut. Quick. You need to be explosive. Ready. Sit. Hut. Explode with them hips. Wait. Ready. Hut. Come on. Ready. Sit. Hut. Go. Explode. You need to get up higher. Sit. Hut. Get it. Good. Higher. Hut. One more. Hut. All right, good job.
Let me see.